Hello guys, so in this today's lecture we are going to see how to take chapter exam assessment for the course of CCNAv7. The first module is Introduction to the Network. Go to the NETACAD login, then click on login. So here what you have to do is, so in the login page we need to enter our details. We need to enter our what? Email ID as well as the password, so that you can get access to your courses. So just here I am entering my username, nothing but email ID, whichever the course I registered for Networking Academy. So we need to enter the password, then click on login. Once it is completed, so now it will take some time to log in. So here the course log will be appeared. So as a student, so you will be having the only under my NETACAD, you will be having the only I am learning tabbing. So there you will be finding the courses under the launch course. Just you click on the launch course. So if you see here, just you need to click on the grades to take the assessment. So here after clicking on the grades, you need to see that how many chapters we have, right? So in my case, for example, I'm going to activate the module 11 to 13 IP addressing exam. So in our case it might be different, so click on whichever the assessment exam is activated for you. So for example, I'm going to take the module 11 to 13, right? So just click on the take assessment. So now you select either 7.2.1 or whatever it may be. See that now it is directly coming to access the exam, right? So see that. So the moment you are clicking on the take assessment, so click on 7.2.1 or older. Now it is taking. So just click on the continue. So there you will see that what is the start and date. Just click on continue. Now what you have to do is we need to wait for until this software is being downloaded. Else if you don't want to take that software to be installed, means you just click on the skip. Otherwise you wait for the completion of this one, then click on the begin statement. So if you don't want, then click skip, then okay. It means that one or two questions will be given based on the packet tracer activities. So now if you observe here, so here we need to answer the given questions, right? So if one question is completed, just click on this one, next question, or you can use the previous and next option. But remember that if you click on the submit button, whether you are giving the options or not, it will take the particular thing as the final assessment. So after giving the answer for all the questions, then you click the submit, so that you will be getting the assessment grade.